team is always, as soon as your backs are against the wall, over the last 3 years.
We love it.
Love this.
Yeah, I love this. I'm excited. You know, I mean, I look at it as a positive. I mean, we got to play, you know, we got to play one out at a time and one inning at a time. You know, I say it in that way is that, you know, I say it with a little chip that, you know what, we got to come out there with attitude that, you know what, our backs are up against the wall and we need to fight, and that's what this is about. You know, this is the kind of stuff you play when you're a little kid. You want to be a winner, and this is where it dictates a winner. And, you know, again, we got to come out tomorrow with, you know, the attitude that we're going to win and send this back to Philly. But, you know, we know what we're up against. Our backs are against the wall, but this is time when, you know, the men, you just spur the men from the boys, and you got to go out there and just play.
Was that message sent verbally when you guys came in here, or is it just not even need to be said?
What?
When you guys come in after a tough loss, does somebody stand up and say that?
No, nobody said nothing. Everybody knows everybody understands. Everybody's been there before. You know, our backs were against the wall last year. Unfortunately, we didn't do it. But you know what? Our backs are against the wall again, and we need to figure out a way to, you know, send it back to Philly. So.